Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Candy dishwasher and you're getting an error E08 on it. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So this is an error coming from the heating element that it's not heating properly. So you could either have, this could be a couple of things, you could have an error actually with the heating element, with the thermostat. So it's a hard one to just, there's not really one quick fix for it. You're probably going to need a technician to come out and look at it to fix the E8. But one thing before you call a technician that I would recommend you do, since this is I would put this in the category of electronic faults, I would do a hard restart on the machine before calling a technician. So I would just turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the breaker and let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute, and then plug it back in and see if that doesn't clear out the error. And if that doesn't do it, then the best thing to do in this situation is to have it looked at by a professional, because it could be an issue with the wiring between the controls, the thermostat, the heater, and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.